From Nairobi, Kenya, this is Bishop PIUS MUIRU, Maximum Miracle Center Churches. I'm so delighted to wish the man of God, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman, a happy birthday. We are trusting God that the way the power of God is being unraveled through your speech, your ministry will never be the same again. You are going to impact nations as you have done before. And because we know your faith in God is undiluted, Professor Suleiman, we are looking forward to seeing you blowing 1,001 candles, and you're going to put out every other candle of the enemy. We in Nairobi, Kenya, we salute you, man of God, and thank you for honoring the call of God upon your life. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Professor Apostle Johnson Suleiman.